So guys, give yourself a nice little pat on the back. You're halfway done with your toolpaths. In this next video, we're going to start on setup 4 toolpath, which is, like I said, not a cakewalk, but not too hard. You're just dealing with this slot and this hole right in here. So first, like the others, you're going to go to View Manager, and you're going to hit Setup 4, make it active, and hit OK. Go to Wireframe just so you can sort of see everything clearer. And like Setup 2, the first chain we're going to be messing with is this slot, but like it, it's open in 3 places. So what you're going to do is you're going to go back to circle, you're going to make the nice little arc again, hit OK, apply. Same thing over here, move around so you can see a little bit better because I know there's a lot of stuff in there. Hit apply, OK. And the one other place is right in here. When you first cut that hole, it's going to leave an open space. So your options are you can draw it across, or you can go from end to end of the line. Your choice. This is easier for me. So now you have your full chain. So what you're going to do is, well, first, go to Groups and New Toolpath Group. Name it Setup. Setup 4. Okay. So for the toolpaths, you're going to go to Contour, and you're going to select your chain. This one, zoom in, that one, the circle, all the way across, and boom, got your chain. So for the tool, gonna go to Google Docs. You're gonna see it's the quarter flat end mill again. You seem to be using that one a lot lately. The cut parameters are going to be direction to the right. So let's get to the right. Depth cuts, on, lead in, lead out, off. On, that's already off. Linking parameters, you're gonna do depth is negative 0.625 absolute. So let's enter that in. 0.625 absolute. Hit OK. Wait, I might have looked at the wrong thing. 0.25 absolute. My mistake. I was looking at something in another step. So just go back. That's a real quick fix. Just go back, hit 0.25, and hit OK. Regen it. Run it to see if it cuts correctly. And don't worry about this little lip right in here. Once you shave off the back for setup 6, it'll disappear. So you're good. So first what you're going to do is go to change the NC file name, and you're going to change it to Contour Slot Setup 4. Okay. So for the next one, you're going to do the hole. So you're gonna new toolpath. You're gonna do a drill. Just select the circle, the center if you want to, or the outside. Doesn't matter. For the tool, you're gonna start off with the 1/8 center. The cut parameters, pec. Linking parameters should be negative 0.625 absolute. Negative 0.625 absolute. Hit OK. Run it to make sure it cuts right. Should have something that looks like that. Copy. Paste. Parameters. The only thing you're going to touch is make it a quarter flat end mill. Everything else stays the same. Hit check. Regen. Run them both. Make sure you drilled it correctly. And if you want to, after that, hit setup 4 and run everything to make sure you have it pretty much the right way. Then, like before, if you want to check to make sure it looks nice, you can run everything starting from setup 1, which for me I like to do just so I can see how far I've come along. So you see right now you have the 2 holes, they meet right in the 2 holes, the bottom and the right meet, and you have that little atom looking thing. You have the top hole coming down to the slot. You have the bottom hole going all the way through. Your last name, your slots. So you guys are doing pretty well so far. And next video, we're going to go over setup 5.